Lesson 4. Section 1. In 2012 the Earth Summit was held in Rio de Janeiro. The theme of summit was environmental problems. José Mujica, the president of Uruguay, made a speech there. The speech was human happiness rather than environmental problems. He believed that human happiness connected to environment. The audience heard Mujica ask these questions. What would happen to the Earth if everyone in the world owned a car? Can 7 or 8 billion people enjoy same lifestyle as that in the rich Western societies? Do we have enough resources for that? Today many people seek economic development, but Mujica thought that it hurt the Earth. He said that people had to change their lifestyle for the Earth and their happiness. Section 2. Mujica was born in a poor area of Montevideo in 1935. When he was in his early 20s, the economy of Uruguay went but. He started to worry about the gap between the rich and the poor. Mujica thought that political change was necessary. He fought against the military government and got arrested for the same reason. Mujica spent 13 years in jail, but he did not give up his hope of changing Uruguay into a better country. In 1985 he was finally released. He never lost his steering wheel to change society and became a politician 10 years later. Then 2010 he was elected as the 40th president of Uruguay. Section 3. Mujica's speech in the summit made him known widely to the world. He was called the world's poorest president because he lived a very humble life. Mujica lived in a small house in the suburbs. He got water from a well. He plowed his land and grew vegetables and flowers. He even donated about 90% of his income to charity. His only possession of value was a very old car. He did not need expensive things to be happy. Mujica said in an interview, "I can live well with what I have. I'm called the poorest president, but I'm not poor. Truly poor people are those who only work to keep expensive lifestyle, and endlessly want more and more." Section 4. In this speech Mujica said that many people worked hard to get more money than they actually needed. He said we do not come into this world simply for economic independence. We come here to be happy. He was concerned that seeking economic development kept people away from true happiness. Mujica stated that true happiness did not come from material wealth but from human relationships full of love. His words helped people realize important values in their life. Mujica said, "Development has to be in favor of human happiness. Love on earth, human relationships, caring for children, having friends, and fulfilling our basic needs." He concluded his speech by saying, "Happiness is the most precious treasure we have."